All right, it's time to see Julie's new look.
This is how she looked before her Monday morning makeover, and let's see her now.
Wow.
Real nice, Julie. You look like a new woman.
I feel like a new woman. It's different, but I like it. It's a new me, so look
really
out.
Nice. Okay, look out, world. Here comes Julie. Lisa, tell us all about her look.
Well, as we said before, we wanted to make her outside a reflection of her new, stronger self on her inside. So that was the focus for today. Took the hair much shorter, wanted to make it kind of a playful cut that would be easy for her to do on her own. We lightened it up just a bit, put some pieces of warm highlights in there. Jen did a very piecey razor cut on her. And then Megan went with neutral tones for her makeup, showed her like a day into evening look, and Shopko provided this great outfit for her. And I think she looks fantastic.
And Julie, how about the makeup? You said you didn't use a lot of makeup, but you think you can do it pretty easily now?
I think I can. Yeah, I think I can. And she showed me some really good ideas of how to just change it up a little bit, and I can do it, I think. We'll see how that goes.
Well, it looks really good on you. It looks natural, not like you're all made up special. It looks like it's something that you could wear a lot.
Yeah, I think I can. I really like it. It's been a great day at the Haven, that's for sure. Bunch of really nice people here.
Oh, and one last question. I know your hair changed after you had chemotherapy. When you touch it now, how does it feel?
It feels great. I mean, the cut is, like she did a razor cut. It feels so soft and it feels awesome. Before I had this uncontrollable wave that I couldn't get rid of. And now with this short, it's awesome. I think it's going to be what I needed to make me look good.
Yeah.
Sure do.
Well, thanks for being part of our Monday morning makeover, and congratulations on your new marriage.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Best wishes to you.
Thanks to everybody in Haven.
Yep.